Welcome back, editors. A lot of people kept requesting a funk criminal glitch tutorial like FicTic edits. I had already made a short tutorial on this, but many people couldn't understand it clearly. That's why I've created a full, detailed tutorial this time. So please give it a like for my hard work. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Also, comment and tell me what tutorial you want next. Let's complete the target of 300 likes. Once we hit it, I'll upload the next tutorial right away. Without any delay, let's start the tutorial. Go to YouTube and search for Ghostwriter Twixtor 4K. You will find high-quality clips. This is the method I use to find clips. I can't show the method of downloading YouTube videos in my video because it goes against the guidelines. The clips I've used in this edit are available on my Telegram channel, so join it. For any movie clip you need, after writing the movie's name, just add scene pack. Take a screenshot and crop it the way I am doing. Open Google and search for Gemini. Upload your image and select Generate with Model. Write the prompt, Convert into comic book style image. Download it. Open the PixArt app, or you can find it on my Telegram channel. Using it, we will remove Gemini's watermark because it doesn't look good. Select the Remove tool, remove the watermark, and download it. Make sure to watch the tutorial till the end. All the materials used in this edit are available on my Telegram channel, and the link is in the description. I'm also thinking about creating a Discord server because many people don't use Telegram. So let me know in the comments, because I'm still thinking about it, and I'm not 100% sure yet. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thanks for watching.